So this is my 2013 We the People Clash. It's fully custom. I've got the ODI XL long neck grips. I've got the Primo, the samsquanch bars. I've got a fit top load stem. A Salt headset. Shadow Conspiracy Corvus forks, an Odyssey hazard light rim laced to an Éclat pulse hub with 3-ride forged steel spokes. It's a 2013 We the People Clash frame in raw. A Kink Sean Sexton seat with a Norco pivotal post. I've got Subrosa bitchin crank arms with Odyssey twisted PCs, a stolen class 25 sprocket with a KMC chain. I've got an Odyssey 7K laced to a profile mini SS hub with dance comp spokes. My tires are Aaron Ross keyboard tires. Front is where is it? 2.35 in the front and 2.1 in the back. I've got just a salt bottom bracket with salt cones and just a lizard skin. But other than that, it's fully custom. And yeah.